Chapter 9: Variables and Data Types in Python. Variables. A variable is a quantity which can store a value in the computer memory. It is a quantity whose value changes during the execution of a program. Like in mathematics, a variable holds a certain value. In Python, it is a name for memory location that contains the value. If a value is not assigned to a variable, you will get an error. Rules for naming a variable. A variable name should be descriptive. It must begin with a letter or underscore. It should start with a lowercase letter. A variable name can contain alphabets, digits, and underscore. No other character is allowed. The words can be separated by the underscore, followed by more letters, underscores, or digits 0 to 9. Python does not allow punctuation characters such as $, $sign, and %. Spaces are also not allowed. There are reserved or keywords in Python that cannot be used as a variable name. Assigning value to a variable. The assignment statement creates new variables and gives them values. The syntax of the basic assignment statement in Python is as follows, where the equal to sign is used to assign value, which is on the right side of the equal to sign, to a variable name, which is on the left side of the equal to sign. Let's look at the example on the screen. It contains two statements. X is equal to 20. This is an assignment statement. An assignment statement associates a value with a variable. The key to an assignment statement is the symbol equal to, which is known as the assignment operator. The statement assigns the value 20 to the variable x. Print x. This statement prints the variable x's current value. Note that the lack of quotation marks here is very important. If x has the value 20, the statement print x prints 20, the value of the variable x. But the statement print x within double quotes prints x, the message containing the single letter x. Kindly look at the screen to understand. Multiple assignments. The basic assignment statement works for a single variable and a single expression. You can also assign a single value to more than one variable simultaneously. The syntax is as follows. For example, x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. Kindly look at the screen to understand. You can also assign multiple objects to multiple variables. The syntax is as follows. Kindly look at the screen to understand. Standard data types. A data type specifies which type of value a variable has and what type of mathematical, relational, or logical operations can be applied to it without causing an error. For example, roll number of a student is stored as a numeric value and address of the student is stored in alphanumeric. Python has the following standard data types that are used to define the operations. The numbers data type. Number data type stores numerical values. This data type is immutable, that is, the value of its object cannot be changed. These data types can be integer, fractions, or decimals. Kindly look at the screen for the examples. String data type. String is an ordered sequence of letters or characters. They are enclosed in single quotes or double quotes. The quotes are not part of the string. They only tell the computer where the string constant begins and ends. The plus sign is the string concatenation operator and the asterisk is the repetition operator. Kindly look at the screen for the example. List data type. A list is a container which holds items separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. Items or elements need not all have the same type. The plus sign is the string concatenation operator and the asterisk is the repetition operator. Kindly look at the screen for the example. Tuple data type. Tuple data type is similar to the list. A tuple is a container which holds items separated by commas and enclosed within parentheses. In list, the elements can be changed, whereas in tuple, elements cannot be changed. The plus sign is the string concatenation operator and the asterisk is the repetition operator. Kindly look at the screen for the example. Concatenation of strings. The collection or sequence of characters is called a string. It is represented in the quotation marks. Python allows for either pairs of single, double, or triple quotes. We know that computer understands only binary data, either 0 or 1. All the data that we type and use in the computer is first converted into binary form, creating a string in Python. Creating strings is as simple as assigning a value to a variable. They are enclosed in single quotes or double quotes. The quotes are not part of the string. They only tell the computer where the string constant begins and ends. Kindly look at the screen for the example. Concatenation of strings. The concatenation operation is used for adding two strings. This can be achieved by adding the plus operator between the two strings. For example, let's take two strings, string 1 and string 2, and use the operator plus to concatenate these. Kindly look at the screen for the example. Iteration of string. A string can be repeated by using the asterisk operator. The asterisk operator can be used to repeat the string for a given number of times. Kindly look at the screen for the example.